Good morning, P2 students. How are you today? Today is Monday and it's the 27th of July 2020. So our learning objective for today or our learning target is that I will be able to identify the picture and its name. So for today's assignment, teacher will show you one part of your exam, right? So I'm just going to show you one example. Alright, so the example is that you are going to identify the picture. So for example, this picture. What is this picture? Is this a picture of a battery or cell? Mains, electricity, wire, bulb, circuit, motor, buzzer, switch, electric shock, or a bulb holder. So if you know this picture and you are very sure that this picture is a mains electricity, so you are going to click this circle and then select mains electricity. Okay, so for your assignment today, to practice, so I'm just going to show you one picture and then you can look, and I'm sure you're very familiar with all these words. So today I just want you to make sure that you know what is a picture of a battery or cell, right? So when you look, so what is this one, right? So these are the tests that you're going to have, but for today I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to let you answer question one. Okay. So again, this is only a part of your test. And tomorrow I will discuss more or talk more about what other topics that are included in your test. All right, so thank you so much for listening and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.